Hey guys, it's your girl Aisha Shasha, and today I'm going to be showing you what I made with the HTV RONT translucent printable vinyl sticker paper. So I hope that you guys have got some popcorn because your girl went through a journey and a half, but luckily it all turned out just fine in the end. So in this pack, you get the translucent sticker paper and you also get some laminating sheets as well. More about the laminating sheets later. So I decided to use my Cricut machine and to use my glitter bubble logo and to make some stickers. Not because I wanted to make stickers, but because I wanted to actually put one of them inside of a coaster mold and make it into a necklace. So I figured that because this is me, I'm probably going to make a mistake. So let me just print out more than one. So I printed out 6. I also selected glossy photo paper as my printer setting. I'm so impressed with how it came out on the sticker paper. I was just like, wow, this is amazing. But then again, I'd never printed on anything but A4 paper. So this for me was incredible. However, what wasn't incredible was the laminating process. Oh my goodness, I really struggled with it. And I know it's just because I need practice. You know, these are things that get better with time. And I've seen videos, and so I know that it can be done perfectly. I just didn't do it. So HTV RONT actually sent me some cutting mats as well to use with my Cricut machine, light, standard and strong grip. So I decided to go for the standard grip this time. And I didn't know that it came with a scraper tool as well. So I thought, oh, let me just use that and try and prise out some of those air bubbles. Yeah, I was a little bit too far gone at this point, so didn't quite work out for me. Anyway, what I didn't know was just how strong that the mats actually were. It's been a long time since I've used a brand spanking new Cricut mat. So yeah, I forgot that they're quite strong. So I probably should have gone for the light grip one because as you can see, this was a bit of a headache. So let's try that again, shall we? I just want to emphasize how amazing that the sticker paper actually is. You don't have to laminate them. It's more recommended for if your sticker is going to come into contact with water. The second time around was a little bit better, but not quite. Still got quite a few air bubbles in the process. When it came to peeling it off the mat though, it was better this time. Only a little bit of it was left as residue. But yeah, I just wasn't happy with those bubbles. So I did it again and it still wasn't perfect. But at this point I was losing my mind. I definitely think though that it's just technique. I will get it. I promise I will. So anyway, at this point, I just thought, let me just get it in the resin and hopefully all will be salvaged. So thank you very much to Let's Resin for sending me their fast cure epoxy resin kit with lots of little goodies inside of it as well. So I mixed it up. I didn't use the lollipop sticks that came with it because I prefer to use their silicone stirring stick. Mix it up, and I wanted to use this gorgeous hollow mold from RESIN. It actually came in a pack of 4. It had lots of different styles of hollow, but I thought that was the most sort of bubble-like. So yeah, popped it in there, and I'm also using the Let's Resin heat mat as well. Even though this was a fast curing resin, I just wanted to get it over and done with quite quickly. Shouldn't have done that really, because I had it on full blast, and so the sticker started lifting up, and the bubbles, like it was. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that it's completely my fault. I made it into an utter hot mess, but I did it again. But this time I didn't laminate the sticker and it came out perfectly. And I was so much happier. Now, one thing with holographic molds, you can't actually dome them because then you will lose the holographic element of it. So I'm using shaker film on top, and that's what I'm doming over so that then you can get the gorgeous sort of bubbly effect. Here we go. What do we think? Can we please be upstanding for the promo piece of the year? It is the actual glitter bubble. I mean, just come on, just look at it. Is it not just so gorgeous? I love it. I love it. I love it. If you love my resin crafts and my resin jewelry and you'd love to own a piece for yourself or even for a friend, then you can check out my website, glitterbubble.co.uk. And if you love this video, then please do share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.